Hello everyone, welcome to Grasso, renovating the trading process, pure logic, smart decisions every time. We will discuss the planned presentation of Grasso in this video, and we will also discuss how Grasso bot is working and provide the profits. We will also discuss about the rewards and the earnings provided by the Grasso platform. This platform is running from Singapore. The best part of this platform is that you can choose any broker of your choice and apply the Grasso bot on that broker, and it will provide you the regular profits by analyzing the market trends. So let's discuss the business opportunity. You will get complete information about Grasso bot in this video, and we will discuss how it works. The fee for this AI license is $150. It splits in two parts. $130 is for distribution and $20 is for gas fee. We will discuss about the complete information of gas fee in the coming presentation. So basically there are 7 types of incomes you are getting with Grasso. First one is referral income, second one is performance income, third one is achievement income, AI royalty income, rewards, profit sharing income, and profit royalty income. You will get all these incomes if you are working with Grasso. So let us discuss about the rank criteria. Learn how you can achieve various ranks. After paying $150, you will get the G1 rank. In G1 rank, you will get a referral code. With this referral link, your members can purchase the bot and you will get the benefits. For G2 rank, you need 3 teams of G1 and total 15 teams. For G3 rank, you need 3 teams of G2 and the total teams should be 75. In the same manner, for G4 rank, you need 2 teams of G3, 1 team for G2 and the total team size should be 425 teams. Similarly, for G5 rank, you need 2 teams of G4, 1 team of G3 and the total team size should be 1100 teams. For G6 rank, you need 2 teams of G5, 1 team of G4 and the total team size should be 4000 teams. Similarly, for G7 rank, you need 2 teams of G6, 1 team of G5 and the total team size should be 15,000 teams. Now we will discuss about the referral income on various ranks. If you are on G1 rank, then the income is $25, G2 rank it is $40, G3 rank it is $50, G4 rank it is $60, G5 rank it is $65, G6 rank it is $70, and if you are on G7 rank, then the income is $75. Now it is the time to discuss the performance income. If you will achieve G2 rank within 15 days, then you will get $50 monthly for regular 6 months. Let us discuss about the achievement income. As the name suggests, if you are achieving a special rank, then you will get this type of income. If you will achieve the G3 rank, then you will get $100 for 6 months regularly. If you are achieving G4 rank, then you will get $200 for 12 months regularly. In the same manner, if you are achieving G5 rank, you will get $400 for 12 months regularly. There is no time criteria in the achievement income. As soon as you will achieve the rank, your income will be started. Like all other incomes, AI royalty income is also an interesting concept. In this type of income, if you are getting G6 rank, after that on each ID activation you will get $3 per ID. In the same manner, if you are getting G7 rank, after getting the G7 rank on each ID activation you will get $2 on each ID. Grasso also provides you an awesome reward system. After getting the G1 rank, you have successfully activated your bot for trading. At G2 rank, you will get $50 reward. At G3 rank, you will get $400 reward. At G4 rank, you will get $2000 reward. At G5 rank, you will get $10,000 reward. At G6 rank, you will get $30,000 reward. And if you are achieving G7 rank, then you will get $1 lakh reward. Please note that these rewards are only one-time reward. As soon as you will get the rank, you will get these rewards. After successfully purchasing the bot, it will start generating profits from day 1. 70% profit will be of Meta account holder and 30% profit will be for Grasso for distribution. You will also get profit sharing income on various ranks. If you are on G1 rank, then the profit sharing income will be 3%. At G2 rank, it is 5%. At G3 rank, it is 7%. G4 rank, you will get 9%. At G5 rank, it is 11%. At G6 rank, it is 12%. And at G7 rank, it is 13%. Please note that profit sharing income is differential with the rank change. Talking about profit royalty income, it is 2% at G4 rank, 2% at G5 rank, 1.5% at G6 rank, and again 1.5% at G7 rank. So it's a great opportunity to trade with Grasso AI. Choose your AI and start trading and generate huge profits. If you want to trade in gold, then your account size should be $1,000 to $1,500 and you will get 15% return on this pair. This profit is not static. As per our study, the profit generated by this bot is 12 to 35% 10% monthly. If you want to trade on GBP, JPY, Euro, NZD and USD pairs, then your account size should be $600 to $900 and you will get approx 10% monthly returns. If you want to trade on AUD, CAD and CHF, then your account size should be $400 to $600 and you will get approx monthly 8% returns. The concept of oil and crypto is coming soon. As well as we launch these pairs, then you will get all the information on our social media platforms. So stay tuned for upcoming pairs. Talking about the gas fees regulations, this concept is very simple. You will get $20 free gas fees in your wallet. If you will not attach your trading account with the bot, daily $1 gas fees will be deducted from your wallet till 20 days. So you should at least maintain $10 deposits in your gas fees wallet. If your account size is $1,000, then you should maintain $25 gas fees in your wallet. If it is $2,000, then you should maintain $40. If your account size is $3,000, then you should maintain $50 gas fees in your wallet. If your account size is $5,000, then the gas fees should be $75. If your account is $10,000, then you should maintain $100 gas fees in your wallet. If your account size is below $1,000, then the minimum gas fees in your wallet should be $10. So let us talk about some terms and conditions. $150 is only for one AI license and one trading account. Deposit and withdrawals will be in USDT BEP20 wallet only. A minimum of $10 is allowed to withdraw and a charge will be applied of $2 on each withdrawals. So guys, what are you waiting for? Join Grasso and be a part of revolutionary platform. I hope you understand all the concept of this presentation. See you soon in next videos. Thanks. Have a nice day.